Hey gang, Bison here. We're going to continue with our K-Bar Becker series. Today we're going to look at the K-Bar Becker BK7 Combat Utility Fixed Blade Knife. This bad boy is the little brother of the BK9, which we'll put here just to show you the comparison. BK7, BK9. Let's take her out of the case first. We'll talk about the case next. So here we are. K-Bar, Olean, New York. Beautiful 7-inch blade. We have our nice thumb grip as usual. BK7. Beautiful full tang. And like with all the other ones, what is that? I modified the handle with an 1.5-inch inner tube from a bike. Give it a little extra grip. Also added a little paracord on the handle so we can do a little of that action. So if I drop it, I'm not going to lose it. Alright, so there's a look at the knife. This again, I just bought on Amazon a few days ago. It's got that new coating on it. The other blades are smoother. The overall length of this knife is 12 7/8 inches. It weighs 0.75 pounds. Blade is 7 inches. And it is made out of 1095 Crovan steel. We'll set it down here. Same nice sheath as the BK9. On this one, unlike the BK9, it's set up for your pals molly webbing. Has the Velcro here that opens up to attach to a larger belt. Velcro and snap here. Also have some little eyelets here for not sure what, but they're there for something. Same thing down here. We also have our outside pouch, where again I have another remora inside here, just like I have on the BK9. Closes over. There's also another pocket in the front to put additional survival items in. And I modified the case here, and I put there's about 12 to 13 feet of parachute cord on this. I put that on myself, and I stuck with the black just to stay with the black theme. Now this is going to live in the bug out bag, and I've made a separate survival kit for this, which will attach now, and then I'll walk you guys through it and show you what I have in there. Alright, stand by. Alright guys, here we are with the Becker K-Bar BK7 with the survival kit attached. Now what I've done here is I've taken a Maxpedition cocoon pouch, which I absolutely love these things. I dislike their method of strapping, but that's another story for another day. So there's the Maxpedition cocoon pouch. I've attached it to the sheath using a 7-inch Blackhawk speed clip, and that goes through the molly webbing on the back of the cocoon pouch. And what I've used to attach it to the sheath, weaved through the speed clip, are these Velcro strips with these buckles on them. These I actually bought in the 90s from U.S. Cavalry. They used to sell these for strapping knives and other items to web gear when web gear was popular. You know, the H suspenders and Y suspenders, and when all the Alice gear was the big thing before you know, the molly stuff hit the scene. So that's where those came from. If you want to do something slimmer like this, you can go to Home Depot and buy the Velcro that they sell with the little slits in it to attach to cables and extension cords to wrap them up. That'll work just the same. So there we are. It's affixed to the sheath. Put a little paracord here for the zipper pull. Let's open it up and see what I have inside of it. Okay. Okay, first item, magnesium fire steel. I have a small plastic bag here, a couple band-aids, some steri strips, anti-diarrhea, some Advil, and crazy glue. Crazy glue would be used for wound closure or any other uses for emergencies. We have also some water purification tablets. We have here some Strike Anywhere matches, small compass, and a couple birthday candles. Not the trick ones. The Bear Grylls Priority Survival Guide. And here is an Advil travel container, and inside I have made a fishing kit. I got a little piece of cardboard with about 100 feet of 8-pound test on it, bunch of hooks, snap swivels, weights, and safety pins. There's also 2 different size hooks in there, small ones and larger ones. Whistle, Bear Grylls type whistle. A very tiny Saul mirror. These I found in a military surplus store. These are little survival cards. We have camouflage on this side. Over here we have E&E techniques. This side is determining approximate distance across a river, some more survival information, basic traps and snares, more E&E tips, signals, Morse code, and this is some fire building instructions, information on purifying water. What else? Basic navigation, basic survival tips. Put that back in this bag. We also have a Streamlight Stylus Pro, couple zip ties cut down, roll of duct tape, a mini folding saw which I got off of County Com, and this I put some tape on for safety reasons, but there's another County Com item, and it's the same thing as the saw, only it is a fold out razor blade. And there's Edgar in the video rummaging. Alright, so there we have it, guys. BK7 modified with a Maxpedition cocoon pouch survival kit, remora, biker in a tube, and parachute cord. Let me pack this up before you know who gets stuff all over the place. And we'll be back tomorrow with another vid. So thanks for watching. Bison out.